let's go now to solve the question 8. Question 8 say you have two sheets of chart, two planes, two big planes that are closely spaced and opposite charge. Every plane have some quantity of superficial charge, density of charge, and they are opposite. One is plus 3 coulombs per meter square. The other one is minus 3 coulombs per meter square. The plates are square with size length L and carry is a square. It's a square, so means that it have the size will be like let me write like L by L. This is L by L, but this is L very big, and the other one will be the same thing, L by L. And this has the positive charge sigma, and they have the negative charge sigma, and between them there is an electrical field produced by the negative charge E negative and produced by the positive charge E positive, and of course the magnitude of the electrical field produced by the positive charge is sigma divided by 2 epsilon 0, and the magnitude of the electrical field produced by the negative charge is sigma divided by 2 epsilon 0, and because the two electrical fields goes in the same direction, the magnitude of the electrical field, a total electrical field, will be the magnitude of E1 plus the magnitude of E2. So this will be, the electrical field will be sigma divided by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma divided by 2 epsilon 0. So it will be sigma divided by epsilon 0. So I will have that the magnitude of the electrical field is sigma divided by epsilon 0, by sigma is the charge per unit of area. So divided by epsilon 0, but the area is L squared. Epsilon 0, and the area is L by L. So this is the value of the electrical field. So if you go to your problem, QL squared divided by epsilon 0, I think should be this one. Okay, good luck.